This is my motor from the Lancaster ride out into the burnout challenge and donut, and it just cut off out of nowhere. Checking if it has problems, but I decided just to upgrade to a big valve head, and that's it.
Alright, so OG's building his 212 big valve. He had a stock valve. Yep, he had a stock valve, but he's actually upgrading, so
Taxes came in, guys.
let's see what this should do. Stock valve, big valve, welded, white blue springs.
Chill, bro. You're giving them my
Bro,
specs.
what the hell are you doing? We have a clutch puller. You gotta be professional, bro. Go. Stupid.
I'm gonna put all the little clips of us trying to smack it out.
God damn, nigga. You got fucking shit falling off and shit. Man, this should need to get a makeover.
That's what I'm here to do, guys. This is
My boy gonna leave all the oil dropping out.
I got stuck.
You only took out the oil?
I don't care.
I don't care. Oh shit, OG's crazy.
I'm gonna take this blower housing off. Shout out to my boy Meryl for blessing me with this blower housing.
Heavy duty for them write-outs, bro.
Since he said that I'd be
I
breaking up.
blessed him. It was good chrome. I don't know. Look at this shit,
It
bro.
just needs a wipe down.
Ultralight with the fan.
You're showing on my secrets, G.
Alright.
Oh, I need the oil bucket.
So is this going on your go-kart or your mini bike?
My go-kart. Just for Sunday.
That's oil or you drained it? Don't lose those.
I know.
Alright, we're gonna show you his cam specs.
That's this shit getting crazy. Gasket's gone.
Gonzo. So, OG has a 330 with a 260 small engine cams. With a rusty crank. God damn. Damn, look at all those shavings, bro.
With baby lifters. But what? Oh shit, I thought you were recording. Put that though, I gotta put that on.
Alright, we figured out the problem why he shut off. My boy needed rod bearings.
But
God
they were
damn.
brand new.
Brand new, you took this shit on 20 write-outs, nigga.
Burnout, go-kart ride.
So it needs a crank too. So we gotta switch the crank.
Hold on, let me put my piston out. I forgot to put it. So,
The crank is done.
crank is done. Flywheel pullers. Too much of a headache.
So how you gonna take it out?
I cut it.
I think you're too weak.
Cut it,
I think you're too weak.
Cut it.